Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss a newly introduced function that is the sort function in Microsoft Excel 365. This function is very useful to analyze large data sets. It has been introduced in Microsoft Excel 365 and is not available in earlier versions of Excel. The sort function helps sort a range or array dynamically. There was a sort feature available in earlier versions of Excel as well, with the help of which we were able to sort data or ranges. But that feature was not a dynamic feature. In case of any change in the data, the sorting had to be done again using the sort feature. This is not the case with the new sort function. The new sort function helps us sort large data sets dynamically. If you like this video, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you get regular updates whenever we upload a new video. The sort function has four arguments. The first argument is array, which is the data range or the array to be sorted. The second argument is the sort index, which is the row or column in the dataset to be sorted. The input for this argument is a number. The third argument is the sort order, which is the desired sort order for the dataset, whether we want the data to be sorted in ascending or descending order. +1 represents ascending order and -1 represents descending order. In case we don't give any input, the default argument is ascending order. The fourth argument is by column. In most cases, the values are sorted by the rows. The default value for this argument is false. So if we do not enter anything for this argument, Excel would sort the values by rows in a selected column. If we want to sort the values by column, which is a rare situation, we should enter true in this argument. Let us understand the sort function with the help of few examples. Here is a list of customers who visited the store this month. We have the name of the customers, the quantity, price, and the total amount of sales made to them. We want to sort this list in ascending order. To sort this list, we will type is equal to sort, bracket open, it asks for the array, so we will select the range, column B5 to E14 and then close the bracket and enter. So we get the list of customers in alphabetical order in the dataset. Moving to the second example. In this example, we have the same dataset. We want to sort the name of customers in reverse order. So from Z to A. So we will type is equal to sort. Array is the range B5 to E14. Second argument we will leave blank. The third argument, which is the sort order, so we want it to be in descending order, so we will enter -1. Leave the fourth argument, close the bracket and enter. Here we see that Sham appears first, Rohit second, and names with the first letter A are appearing last. So we see the name of the customers have been sorted in reverse order. Moving to the third example. In this example, we have the same list. We want to sort the customers based on revenues in descending order. So in this example, we will use the first three arguments of the sort function. So we will type is equal to sort, bracket open, select the range, the sort index, it has to be a number, it is the column in the range we want to get sorted. The total amount of revenues is in the fourth column, so we will write 4. We want it in descending order, so we will type -1 for the third argument, close the bracket and enter. So we see that the revenues from John are maximum are appearing first, and from Sham, which has contributed least to the revenues, is appearing last. In case we want this data to be sorted in ascending order, we will type is equal to sort, select the range, the data has to be sorted based on the fourth column, so we'll type 4. The third argument is optional, so even if we don't write 1, close the bracket as is, enter, we see that Sham with the least revenues is appearing first and John with the highest revenues is appearing last. If there's a change in data set, so for example, in case of Mary, it is Rajiv who has contributed 10 and the selling price is 20,000. So we see that this data set has been updated automatically. So this is a dynamic function. If we convert this range into a table, so we select the table, go to insert, table, my table has headers, okay. So this is converted into a table format. Now, if there's a change in the data set, so we type is equal to Rajiv, sale of 20 with 500, we see that it gets sorted automatically. The first is Rajiv with the highest sale, which is this one, and the second one with the small r has a sale of 10,000. So this also gets updated automatically. So when we use the sort function in a data table, when there's a change in the range, it picks it up automatically and the data gets sorted automatically. Moving to the fourth example, here we will use the sort function along with the unique function. The unique function helps remove duplicates from a data set. So here we see that a few names are appearing more than once. For example, James Anderson is appearing twice, Rohit Gill is also appearing twice, and then Victor Andrews is also appearing twice in the data set. So we first want to find a unique list and then sort it. To get the unique list, we'll type is equal to unique, bracket open, select the array, bracket close and enter. So we see that James Anderson, which is appearing more than once, is appearing just once in this list. Similarly, Rohit Gill and Victor Andrews are appearing once. Now we want to sort this range. So we will type the sort function before the unique function. So we will type is equal to sort, then the unique function, bracket close, enter. When we use the sort function along with the unique function, the data gets sorted in alphabetical order. The unique function helps us remove the duplicates from the data range. If we want this list in a descending order, we will type is equal to sort, then bracket open, unique, select the range, bracket close for the unique function, then comma, sort index we don't want, comma, sort order -1 for descending, bracket close and enter. Here Victor Andrews is appearing first, Alex Morgan is appearing last. If we want to sort the data by the second name, we will use the second argument of the sort function also. So after the unique function, we'll type 2 as we want to sort the data based on last name and then enter. So we see that the data has been sorted by the second name. So Saxena is appearing first and Anderson, which starts with A, is appearing last. One more change we can do with this formula is if we want to combine the first and last name in the data set, we'll modify the unique function a bit. So we will type is equal to unique array. So select the first name and space and select the last name and then close the bracket. Before the unique function, type sort, open bracket for the sort function, then close bracket for the sort function at the end, enter. We see that the names have been combined in a single column and have been arranged in alphabetical order as we have used the unique function along with the sort function. This is how we can use the sort function in multiple ways to analyze large data sets. Hope you find this video helpful. If you like the video, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.